Guys, so let's see how we can create the if statement, if condition statement in Angular 10, right? It's a built-in directive and you may be using it a lot in your project. Okay, so it's really worth knowing. So how do we actually use the if statement? Is we if we really want to check some condition between two things, then we use the if statement. I'll just show you. Let me show you how it is. So imagine we have a property called product right here, which is called to coffee. You have a coffee product. What you want to check is if this product right here is equal to coffee, then we should execute product is coffee. If it's not equal to it's not equal to coffee, then we should say it's not equal to coffee. So we can do that inside our app.html company.html. So go there, create an paragraph tag and use this star directive, star ng if. Okay, that's what. So star ng if is what we do, the what we check the if statement, and inside here is where we check the condition, and here we evaluate the body that will be what evaluated. So what we want to check is this product right here. So if this product equal to is equal to coffee, then do something like product is coffee, right? Let's save it and open our browser. You see we got product is coffee. Let's try and change the product name here, and you see this guy here won't be what executed because I remove one f, and now the product is what isn't equal to coffee. Yes. So what we want to do now here is if the product is not, if this guy here is not equal to coffee, we should tell the user on the browser that hey, the product is not what equal to coffee. So the way we do that is to let's create another ng template. Okay, ng template, and reference it with a variable with something like if sblock. You can probably call it whatever name. I just prefer to call it sblock so that I'll know what I'm working on, right? So the next thing is to instead of product is coffee, you can do something like product is not coffee. Yeah, and that's pretty simple. So if this thing doesn't evaluate to true, then we really want to execute this line of code here. So the way we do that is to, so we are now checking if this thing is equal to true. Then if it's not equal to true, what you want to do is execute this guy here. Execute this guy here. Okay, so if this thing doesn't evaluate true, then execute this sblock here, which is nothing but this guy here. So we should get coffee is equal to true, a product is equal to coffee. We see product is equal to coffee, but let's try and change this to something like mark. We see we got product is not coffee, right? Pretty simple. So that's exactly how we use the if condition. But let's see if this thing is equal to let's say is equal to coffee, but you actually don't want to execute this line of code here, but maybe you want to execute this template. The way you can do it is to use 10 instead of s, you can use 10. So what we have done here is because we have used 10, this bad here guy here, reference variable of this guy here become was the body tag of this condition right here. So now we should get because the product is coffee and we are saying then sblock, then we should get product is not coffee. Product is not coffee. Pretty simple. So that's it all to Angular directive and and the if statement. So pretty simple. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you back again.